Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cross-play Overcooked 2 on Steam and Epic Games. Alright, let's begin. First, launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Head towards the library section. Over here you're going to find different game options. Go ahead and click on the option of Overcooked 2. As right now I don't have Overcooked 2. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use any of the game. Just right click on any of your game and different options will pop up. Go ahead and click on the option of properties. Open it. Now click on the option of betas. Open it. Now over here you will find the option of crossplay branch. As right now I'm not using Overcooked, that's why I'm not getting the option of crossplay branch. When you try this for Overcooked, you will find the option of crossplay branch over here. You just have to click on it. After you set it to crossplay, you have to reinstall the app. And with that, you will be good to go. So this way you can easily cross the Overcooked 2 on Steam and Epic Games. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.